How to fix OfferUp app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. If your application is acting up, it might be because of the bug issue. For that, open up your phone setting first and foremost. You can scroll down until you see apps and tap on the apps option. Select all apps. Tap on the search icon at the top and search for OfferUp and tap on it. Firstly, force stop the application. Head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Once done, in setting, you can head back to the main option. From here, scroll down, tap on System Update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the version of the application. Next step, you can also press and hold onto the application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you have done this, your bug issue must be gone. If not, open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for OfferUp and give it a search. Select the preferred application. From here, if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application. Next, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch to your cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. And that is how you can easily solve your OfferUp application not working. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.